Hey guys, welcome to week 4 of the SEED2SEED CSA. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have this week. Let's start with our box right here. We are going to have okra and edible flowers in there. You guys should be pretty familiar with both of those at this point. We have our salad mix this week, which is going to be kale and romaine and some fancy leaf red lettuce will be in there as well. You should have a bundle of mustard greens. We'll be putting a recipe in the description with the link for that. Let's see. This week everyone is getting a bunch of radishes. So you'll have a small bunch of radishes in there. For our canned item this week, this is a pear, ginger, and turmeric jam. So I'll be, well, you can always have a peanut butter and jelly, right? But I do have some other options and ways to use this. So I'll be putting some recipes, the links in the description. And then this week is sort of a transitional week. Our chickens have been molting. They've been coming back into production for the eggs. So we'll be trying to shift in some eggs. So if you didn't get eggs this week, within the next couple of weeks, you will see eggs in your CSA. Some of you will also have some purple top turnips. I'll put some recipes, links for those in the description as well. And then some of you will have mushrooms, some of the oyster mushrooms that we've had. And then we did have a couple of watermelons this week. These were supposed to be personal size watermelons, but they actually were bigger than that. So for ease and being mindful of the portion size, what we did is we cut those in half. So some of you will start seeing some watermelon in your bags this week, and the ones that didn't get it this week should be getting it next week. We just want to make sure also that they're ripe for you. So if you didn't see one of these 3 things on this side in your bag this week, or eggs, be looking for those in the next upcoming weeks. As always, if you have any questions, most of you have my number and contact information at this point. If you are making some of these dishes for yourself at home and you want to leave some pictures, or maybe you found a different recipe that you liked better and you want to share that, go ahead and share that below in the comment section. And don't forget to share on Facebook or Instagram your meals if you're taking any pictures for us. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thank you.